Hello friends, welcome to educlinics.com. Educlinics, where future begins. So today's topic is number systems part 3, and the learning objectives of number systems part 3 are necessity and purpose of integers, and next what are integers and its definition and representation of integers on number line, and integers real life applications, and next is fact frequently asked questions on integers. So this is number systems part 3 learning objectives. Number systems classifications. Up to now we have studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers in part 1 and part 2. Now we are going to study about integers in part 3. So now we will go to the integers part. So integers, why do we need integers? What is the necessity of learning integers? So up to now we have studied about whole numbers, and it is represented by W, letter W. So letter W means all whole numbers. So one addition of whole numbers, that is whole number added with another whole number, and the result is also a whole number. And the next is multiplication of whole numbers. So whole number multiplied with whole number, and the result is also a whole number. But in case of subtraction, we have two types, that is from bigger number to smaller number or smaller number to bigger number. So in case of first we will see the bigger number to smaller number, that is bigger number minus smaller number equal to the result is whole number with the positive means, that is we will get whole number, the result is also a whole number. But in case of the reverse, that is smaller number to bigger number, we will get a negative number, but negative number is not included in the set of whole numbers. So here we require a negative number. So negative numbers means in integers the negative numbers are added on the left of the 0 on number line. So here the answer is negative number, that's why we need the need for an integer is required. So this is one of the necessity to add integers on the number systems. So now we will see other necessities or purposes. Here one example is there, the equation x plus 18 equal to 5. So to solve this equation we require the negative number, that is minus 13, and which is not a whole number. So to introduce a negative number we require integers. So and also to measure the above and below sea level objectives we require these integers. Above means positive and below means we represent with negative numbers. And similarly to measure above and below ground level objectives, this is also positive, above means positive, below means negative. And to measure above and below freezing point temperatures, here also the same way, above means positive integers and below means negative integers. And these are the applications or requirement of integers for these purposes. And next is directed numbers. So numbers with a positive or a negative sign are called directed numbers or sign numbers. So next, integers. What are integers? So the natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers of natural numbers together are called integers. This is the definition of integers. And the set of integers denoted by capital letter Z. Thus Z is equal to 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on up to infinity, that is plus infinity. And 0 means neither integer nor neither positive integer nor negative integers, that is 0. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to the minus infinity. These are the set of integers that is represented with Z, capital letter Z, and the representation of integers on the number line we will see. So this is the number line, positive side and negative side. So there is no smallest integers and there is no greatest integers, and this is the representation of integers on a number line. These are the positive integers from 1 to towards infinity, and these are the negative integers from -1 to -infinity, and 0 is neither positive integer nor a negative integers. Okay, right. And next is integers applications. So this is the one main application of integers, the temperature. Temperature means we have both positive and negative numbers. So in negative 0 is a freezing point temperature, and negative numbers means below the freezing point, and positive numbers means above the freezing point. So 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 25 degrees, all are there represented with positive numbers, that is integers, positive integers. And -5, -10, -15 degrees, -20, these are the negative numbers or negative integers. So this is the measure the temperature below and above freezing temperatures. So this is the one of the main application. Next application we will see, this is below and above ground level. So earlier we have seen temperature, and now above means above the ground level we will represent with the positive integer, and below the ground level we will represent with negative integers. This is a tree application. So tree is having ground level, below ground level and above ground level. So below ground level means with negative integers, that is minus. That height of the below ground level height is height or depth measured with negative integers, and above ground level height is measured with positive integers. So this is tree is also one of the application below ground level. And next is integers applications below sea level and above sea level. So this is above sea level, the aeroplane is height is above sea level, that is how much height we will see. So this is sea level is 0, represented with 0, and above sea level is with positive integers, and below sea level is with negative integers. And this is a 0 to 400 meters. The aeroplane height from above the sea level is height of 400 meters above sea level, represented with positive integers, and the submarine is below the sea level. So the submarine represents the below the sea level. It is under the sea, that's why it is below the sea level. So what is the depth of this submarine from the sea level? So it is around depth of 300 meters below sea level, represents with the negative integers. So this is the application of positive and negative integers, that is above sea level and below sea level. Above sea level is example is aeroplane, and below sea level is example is submarine. So and frequently asked questions in exams on integers. So we will see what are those things. Representation of integers are directed numbers on the number line, and absolute value of an integers. And next is arranging numbers in descending and ascending and descending order. Operations on integers like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So operations on integers. And next is properties of closure, commutative, associative, distributive of all above operations. So for all the operations we have these properties: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And next is additive identity 0 and multiplicative identity 1 is for integers. Next is comparison of integers. So this is all about integers. Till now we have studied in part 3, and we will forward to part 4 in next video. Thank you for watching.